Morning, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. I just thought I'd come back. This is part 2. I will have uploaded part 1 a couple of hours ago. Just thought I'd come back and show you the full set. I have completed 2 full sets now. They virtually the same. So I'm sorry if I'm just going to swap this out for that one. Yeah, I'm sorry if the first one was I don't know, I've not watched it, but I was really tired, so I'm not sure if it was a big mess or not, but I'm sure you'll get the gist of what I was doing. So in these sets there'll be the 2 ruffles and the 4 clusters. Oh, I can't swap her with her, she's nearly the same. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and this one's a big mess too. So yeah, these will go up into my shop, but I've said before, I've got quite a lot of unfinished projects that I want to get done, and I shall list them all in one go. The details will be in the description if you wanted to contact me to purchase some before I list them. So I've just done them really simple. They're in this beautiful paper. I'm not sure what the paper pack is. Violet has made these for me. Oh, she does tell me, she tells me all the time. So Violet, if you want to say in the comments what paper it is. I'm also going to put the link to Violet's Etsy shop if anybody wanted to have a look at that. So yeah, I've just done them really simple, kept to the same colour palette, and I think they're really nice. I did show you on the last video, different things that you could do with them. So that's one of the sets. When I do list them, it will be just one listing, and you'll get I'll send them at random because they are that similar. In fact, I'm gonna trying to make them quite similar in size and stuff. So I think I'll swap that one for that one. Ooh, yeah. Okay. And again, on that one, I did do it that you could either have it that way or that way. So that's the second set. Got another two sets to make, and they will be very, very similar. So I just thought, with it being a short video, I just wanted to thank everybody so far who has subscribed. It's great, I'm loving it. I've been holding off doing YouTube for a long time, but now I'm on here. I'm absolutely loving it. So anybody who watches and doesn't subscribe, please subscribe. And anybody who still wants to enter the competition to win the file folder, please, I will link the video. So if you wanted to ask me a question, you need to ask a question to be in the draw. I think we're about 20 off now, 250 subscribers. So as soon as I notice that we've hit, did I just say 220? 250. We're about 20 off. So as soon as we hit the 250, the competition will be closed. I'm going to have a look at the random selector thing. I've never used it. I don't know how it works. If it's too complicated, then I will literally put them in a hat and pull one out, but I will do it on film. What else do I want to say? I'm now posting every 2 weeks, so my next posting date is the 1st of May. For anybody that's shopping in my shop or who's entered the giveaway, hopefully I'll be able to get that out into the next post. So yeah, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please hit that bell and like that video and leave me a comment. And then as soon as the giveaway is finished, I shall then start making the videos to answer the questions. And there was a couple of questions about how would I do this and how would I use that. So then they will come in separate videos answering those ladies' questions. As soon as that giveaway is done as well, I have got a super giveaway between me and Junie from Willowbound Journals. So we're going to do a little bit of something together, and there will be 2 prizes for that. So I shall come back and do a video about that. I think that is all that I wanted to say. So that was me, just a quick little add-on video to the first one. I'm going to finish the other 2 sets off today. Gosh, I've only just got up. You'll have to excuse me. Oh, let me show you this paper. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I bought some blueberry tea. I've been on and off keep staining. I don't know if you can see the blue tinge in it. Yeah, so I've been doing about 20-30 shoots a day. I've been just popping them outside in a tin and then just bringing them in just to finish them off. So I've bought some blueberry tea, and it's come out in this lovely blue tint. It's really nice. I think the first batch I did was mint. Yeah, this one's come out really grungy. This one's still a bit damp. Yeah, the mint ones, that didn't change the colour. It was just normal, you know, tea. But you could smell the mint. And then I did some strawberry ones. And they've got a bit of a pinky colour to them. But yeah, I was surprised at how blue these have come out. This is still wet here, but yeah, it's come out really grungy. This has, love it. So yeah, I've been doing that on and off. And then look at that edge down there. It's brilliant. I'm saying these haven't been in the oven. That must just be where the liquid's all collected. So fabulous. And I've done loads of little strips to make some little booklets and things. I do like to pop in little scrap booklets and things into my things. So that is that. Right, I'm going to pop off now. Obviously, I don't know how to do a really short video because I'm still talking. So that's that. So I shall speak to you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.